Hi, Saul here from Websand. We all know that if you're able to segment your audience, you're going to get better results from your email. But we also know that segmentation can be a little bit difficult to get your head around sometimes. We make it easy in Websand, and in this video, we're going to show you how easy it can be to segment your audience based on where they originally signed up or products that they've purchased from you. Hope you find it useful. Enjoy!
Hello again, it's Saul from Websand, and in the previous videos we've gone through importing your data, we've gone through creating your first message, we've gone through creating your sender address. We're now going to go through segmentation, specifically two types of segmentation. Segmentation based on where people signed up, which if you remember is from your audience import. And following that, segmentation based on what people have bought. And that'll be from the transaction import that we did. Now, obviously, if you've got everything connected via the API, this data is going to be flowing all the time anyway. So the segments are dynamic. Once you've set them up once, any data that meets that criteria will then update accordingly and the segment will change. So I'm going to go to the segmentation side of things. So go to segments. I haven't created any segments yet. I'm going to click on new segment rather than go down the segment wizard. The segment wizard's a more advanced version of segmentation where you can go really deep and create all kinds of weird, wonderful queries. We're not going to focus on that today. What we're going to focus on are the preset segments. So we've got 8 preset segments. We're not going to focus on freestyle, which is, if you're going to do a freestyle segment, go to the segment wizard. That's been superseded. Source, which is where somebody signed up, which is from your audience file. Marketing, which is going to be as people are interacting with the messages that you've sent. So your marketing events, your opens, your clicks, your delivers. You'll be able to segment those using the marketing segment. Product, which is what people have bought. Retention, which is based on the last time that they bought something. Repeat is based on how many times they bought something. So you might have people that have bought once versus twice. Lifetime value, which is based on how much money somebody spent with you, which is a really important thing. And then combined, where you can mix them up. So you might want to take away people that have signed up in store or signed up from a certain promotion, but they've then bought a certain product. So you can then combine those different segments together or take one away from the other. So we're going to focus on source. Very quick, very easy. Click on source from here. In this example of Saul's shoes, there were 4 different sources that we created, I think. So if I just click into this drop-down list here, there we go. We got 4, and then we've got the one which is set up anyway from Websand. Oh, we've got installed twice there. Perfect. So I want anyone that has used a promo. Give that a name as promo. I'm not bothered when they signed up, and create that segment there. So that has 77 people in, and if I just click on one of them, click on this person here, you can see they've got the source code promo there. You can also see they bought different things. So you see the transactions building. Obviously, we haven't sent any emails, and nor are we going to send the emails in this video. So as they get sent out, marketing events start to build up here. So we've got one segment, which is based on people that have used a promotion or signed up from a promotion or as part of a promotion or from a promotion page, whatever you decide to call it. And the second one is going to be product. So again, in the import that we did, there were 4 different products. This time I'm going to pick, I'm going to have start right boys shoes. And this is going to give me a segment of everybody that has bought that product. In this case, there's 99 people. So if I just click into one of them, you see they bought that product there. The joy of this is any future people that buy that product, they'll automatically join this segment. Really useful for saving loads of time and keeping your data managed and correct. Hope you found this video useful. If you'd like help to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing, we'd love to help, so please get in touch or sign up for a 14-day free trial at websand.co.uk.